I would like to provide you with a healing item. If you're grabbing for the allergy medicine, pause. And this is my personal experience and my personal outcome. Local honey. See, we all know about the bee shortage and how that's magically happened. Anyway, side note for that guy. Honey within a 30-mile radius of where you live, not honey from a plant in another country or another state that has mostly corn syrup. Actual honey from like a local honey area or a roadside stand within a 30-mile radius has the pollen to interact and counteract the histamines with the allergies. So I don't really eat sweet stuff like that, so I put honey on my eggs. It took me a minute to get used to it, but I get my honey when I need it and when I can tell if I'm out. Honey from far away doesn't have the same properties of exactly where you live, so go within a 30-mile radius. Support your local honey makers, because honey is mass produced right now, and they add so much corn syrup, and it's not actually honey. It looks like a big bottle of honey, but it's mostly corn syrup with like a tad of honey, because honey's very precious and very costly. So just use local honey, provide services and support for local honey makers. God bless. Peace. And your allergies will feel so much better. Prescription free.